In this tutorial, we'll create a private folder inside SimLab VR File Vault, then upload files to it from the VR viewer. We'll start by creating a new folder in File Vault. To make this folder private, simply check the Make this folder private box. Private folders have a different icon, a lock, unlike public folders. Let's switch to SimLab Composer. In this example, I'm going to record sound inside the VR viewer by pressing the Start button on the left, then upload it as a WAV file directly into File Vault by pressing the Stop button on the right. Let's open Dynamic Builder. I'll link the Record Sound and Stop Sound recording nodes to their respective buttons. From here, we'll create the required nodes to upload the recorded sound to File Vault. Start by adding a Create JSON object node. Then, add a Set JSON object field to string node and link them together. In the name field, type x-API-key. To access a private folder in File Vault, we need to create a unique API key. To do that, head back to File Vault and go to the API Keys tab. This tab shows all the API keys you've created, along with their statuses. Click the Create API Key button and enter a name for your key. Next, select the folder you want the API key to access. I'll use the private folder we just created as an example. Below, you'll find additional settings to configure the access level granted by this key. You can also set an expiry date if you want the key to be active only for a specific period. When you're done, press OK to create the API key. Make sure to copy and store the key, as it will only appear once. Now that our key is activated, let's return to Composer. Paste the API key into the value field. Then, create an Upload Resources node and link the JSON object to the header field. In the URL field, paste this exact File Vault link to access the files. Next, go back to the recording node and enter a name for the output record file. Lastly, link that field to the file name input in the Upload Resources node. We've now finished creating the nodes in Dynamic Builder. Let's open VR Viewer and test it. Pressing the Start button will begin recording the sound. Pressing the Stop button will stop the recording and upload the file to File Vault. Now, let's return to the File Vault window. As you can see, the file has been successfully uploaded to the private folder, using the name we specified. From here, you can download the file directly to your PC.